You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome back. Today it's our Web3 Wednesdays segment here on The Vocal Technologist, and we're diving into, well, the latest twists in information security. Honestly, sometimes it feels like the threat landscape just changes so fast, like we're always trying to catch up.
That's exactly it. And that's why we're here today. We want to quickly unpack some really critical developments. We're talking sneaky new malware, some surprising vulnerabilities, and even how things like AI are shaking up security, trying to give you what you really need to know.
Okay, let's get into it. Starting with, wow, some really clever ways malware is getting onto our devices now. Like thinking you're getting a premium app for free.
Yeah, that's a classic lure, isn't it? And what's fascinating, maybe disturbing, is how they're exploiting that trust. Take the Brokewell Android malware. It shows up through fake ads, right?
Right.
Offering a free version of TradingView Premium. But once it's on your phone, it's incredibly invasive. It's looking for crypto, wallets, bank accounts, steals your 2FA codes.
Steals the 2FA codes.
Right. And records your screen, your keystrokes. It can even remotely control the device entirely. For anyone managing digital assets, in this Web3 context, that's a huge concern. It's not just theft. It's like a total device hijack.
That is genuinely terrifying, especially thinking about digital wallets and assets. And it's not just these custom apps, is it? We're seeing similar old-school tricks with a new coat of paint.
Exactly. Like those fake PDF editors delivering malware, TamperedChef, I think it was called. The common thing is always tricking the user somehow, hiding in plain sight.
Yeah.
But what about attacks where you don't even need to be tricked? Where you don't click anything?
Okay, now that's where it gets really interesting and scary. WhatsApp had that emergency update recently, didn't they? For a zero-click thing?
That's right. A really critical flaw. Basically, attackers could compromise iPhones and Macs just by starting a voice call.
Just starting it. You didn't even have to answer.
Nope. No user interaction needed at all. It exploits something before you even see the call properly. It just screams how vital timely updates are.
Seriously.
And connecting that. Attackers are also getting smarter about abusing tools we trust. We've actually seen Velociraptor...
Forensic tool.
Yeah, the legit forensic tool being misused to deploy Visual Studio Code, basically setting up a hidden command and control channel.
Using VS Code for... Wow. Okay.
Yeah. It just shows how adaptable they are, turning our own tools against us.
That adaptability is something else. Which, speaking of new tools, lots of us are looking at AI now, to help write code faster. But that feels like potentially a security nightmare waiting to happen.
It definitely raises some big questions. There's research showing that code generated by LLMs, by these large language models, it can be full of security holes.
Why is that?
Well, they learn from vast amounts of code online, right? Including lots of insecure code examples. So they often generate stuff that works functionally but isn't secure. Like an LLM might spit out some client-side JavaScript for an email API, but oops, it hard-coded the parameters. Now anyone can potentially use it to spam people.
Oh, brilliant.
So yeah, human oversight, proper security reviews, threat modeling, it's absolutely essential. You can't just trust the AI output, especially in Web3 where mistakes can cost real money instantly.
So, pulling this all together, what does this really mean for you listening? I mean, it sounds like vigilance is key, obviously, being skeptical of free stuff, keeping software updated. But it's more than that now, right?
Yeah.
Especially with digital assets being more common. These threats are getting so much more sophisticated.
Exactly right. It's this blend of, clever social engineering with really advanced technical exploits. There's no single fix, no silver bullet here. Attackers adapt constantly, so our security thinking, our posture, it has to be just as dynamic, multi-layered.
Right. Okay, so here's a final thought to maybe chew on. As we lean more on AI, integrate it deeper into everything, and build on these new digital platforms, are we just, maybe, creating new security holes faster than we can possibly patch the old ones? Something to think about. We'll catch you next time.
Spoken tech for your ears.